Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are dealing with the topic rational numbers. Again, before going to my today's subtopic, let us just do discussion for the concept test 2. So let us start with the first question. The questions are from true and false. The first one is all fractions are rational numbers. So come to this figure. All fractions are rational numbers. Going outside, it means your answer will be true. Next question, all integers are whole numbers. All integers are whole numbers. We are going inside. It means the statement is false. All the natural numbers are rational numbers. All the natural numbers are rational numbers. We are going outside. It means the statement is true. All the rational numbers are fraction. All the rational numbers are fraction. So we are going inside. It means the statement is false. All the whole numbers are integers. All the whole numbers are integers. We are going outside. It means the statement is true. तो इस तरह आपने देखा कि ये दो फिगर्स की हेल्प से हम सारे ट्रू एंड फॉल्स वाले स्टेटमेंट्स लिख सकते हैं और ये स्टेटमेंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स एग्जाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं. Chalo, once again we will revise what are the rational numbers. The numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where your denominator should not be 0 and numerator and denominator both are the integers are called rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by Q. Mathematically we read and write the definition. Rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q such that Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q belongs to integers. Now next is positive rational number. I said rational number, all the concepts of integers, fractions and decimals we are going to use in rational number. So what is the difference over here? Here you will get negative numbers. So this is very important to identify the rational number is positive and negative. So let us see how can we identify. If numerator and denominator both are positive, which is the important word over here, both are positive or both are negative, then the rational number is called positive numbers. If no negative sign is there, so it's very easy to identify 5 upon 6. No negative sign, it means it is positive rational number. But what about minus 5 upon minus 6? So here we will use integer concept. What is your integer concept? Total number of negative signs are 2. 2 is an even number, so your answer will be positive. Again, this concept multiplication and division of integers, if you have any doubt you can watch my this video where I have explained you multiplication and division of integers so that your doubts will be clear. So here total number of negative signs are 2. 2 is an even number, so answer will be positive. So what does it mean? Minus 5 upon minus 6 will become positive 5 upon 6. So that's what both the signs, both the numerator and denominator both should be positive or both should be negative, then the rational number is known as positive rational number. Now negative rational number, here the underlying word is one of them. So either numerator or denominator only one will be negative, then the rational number is known as negative rational number. Again here I have taken example minus 5 upon 6. So here total number of negative signs is 1. 1 is an odd number, so your answer will be negative. Okay, same concept again, 5 upon minus 6, total number of this should be negative sign. Yeah, just a minute. total negative sign. So here also total number of negative sign is 1. 1 is an odd number. It means so the final answer will be negative. Again, if you have any doubt in this part, you can watch my video multiplication and division of integers. So again, total number of negative sign is 1. It means the number rational number is a negative rational number. So either numerator or denominator, if one of them is negative, then the rational number is known as negative rational number. Again, very important concept. Now standard form. What is another name for standard form? Lowest term. So convert into standard form, convert into lowest term. Again, P upon Q should be in simplest form. In my first video I told you rational numbers we write in simplest form. Here I have taken the example 15 upon 35. So these two numbers are divisible by 5. So how can we cut this? 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35. So 3 upon 7. So this is the first step. Always we write down rational number in simplest form. Second number, Q should be positive. Q means denominator should be positive. So here you are getting the number minus 7. This number should be positive. So what we do, we just change this minus sign in numerator. So this will become minus 3 upon 7. So now the standard form of 15 upon minus 35 is minus 3 upon 7. Now few of you may ask why we can write down this minus 7 as a plus 7 and we can shift minus sign to the numerator. So actually what we are doing, we can multiply by minus 1 upon minus 1. If we multiply by same numerator and denominator, your answer is always same. So now again use the concept of integers. 3 multiplied by minus 1 will give you minus 3, and now here two negative signs are there, so this will become positive, so minus 3 upon 7. So in short, instead of doing all this process directly, we just shift this minus sign from new denominator to numerator to make the rational number positive. So two important points are there. P upon Q always we write in simplest form, and second point, Q should be positive. So if minus sign is there in denominator, we shift this minus sign with the numerator. So this way we convert into standard form or convert into lowest term. Now few more examples I am taking so that your doubts will be clear. So the first one is 8 upon 20. So 8 upon 20 minus 8 upon 20. These two numbers are divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Final answer will be minus 2 upon 5. Your denominator is positive. 2 and 5 both are the integers. So minus 2 upon 5 is a rational number. Now take second example, minus 12 upon minus 30. Again these two numbers are divisible by 6. So 6 2s are 30, 6 2s are 12 and 6 5s are 30. So the answer will be 2 upon 5. Use your integer concept. Total number of negative signs are 2. 2 is an even number, so that your answer will be positive. So answer is 2 upon 5. Now next is 14 upon minus 49. So this 14 and 49 is divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 49. So the answer is 2 upon minus 7, but in standard form your denominator should be positive. So how can we do that? We write down minus sign with numerator and denominator will become positive. I told you actually we are multiplying by minus 1 upon minus 1, but instead of doing this step directly, we can shift minus sign with the numerator. So the answer will be minus 2 upon 7. Now next is equivalent rational number. With the equivalent word, it is understood that equals, every time you are getting equal answer. So here you can multiply by n upon n. I just now I told you if you multiply by same number numerator and denominator, or you multiply by again minus 3 by 3, you multiply by minus 4 upon 4, your answer will be same, answer will not make change. Okay, so here we have multiplied by 3 upon 3, you can take by 4 upon 4, you can take by 5 upon 5. So whatever rational numbers you are getting, all the rational numbers will be equivalent. Equivalent means equal. So here the question it is given, complete the pattern. You can identify the pattern. Here table of 6, 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 3 5s are 20, 3 3 5s are 15. Yeah. So 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. Similarly, you can continue. Now, here minus sign is there. So, write down minus with both the number. Now, observe the pattern of denominator. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. This is the easiest way to write down, or we can say that minus 3 upon 5 you can multiply by same number. Here I have multiplied by 5 upon 5, so you are getting minus 15 upon 25. Now minus 3 upon 5 you can multiply by 6 upon 6, so the answer will be minus 18 upon 30. You can multiply by any other number, minus 3 by 3. Suppose you want to multiply by 8, so 8 upon 8, answer will be minus 24 upon 40. So all these rational numbers will be equivalent rational numbers. Next question is, which pair represent the same rational numbers? So three methods are there. First one is the observation. Here you can observe these two numbers. One is negative number, one is positive numbers. It means these pairs are not equal. They are different. So these two numbers are not equivalent rational numbers. Now here simplest form, one method is there, you can convert into simplest form. So minus 16 upon 20, just convert this into simplest form. These two numbers are divisible by 4. So 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Now another number is 20 upon minus 25. Again these two numbers are divisible by 4. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. So you are getting minus 4 upon 5, and here you are getting 4 upon minus 5. Always we write down this negative sign with the numerator and this will become positive. So you can say minus 4 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5. It means these two represent the same rational number. Now take another one more method is that by the cross multiplication method also you can find out. So here the numbers are 3 upon minus 5 and minus 12 upon 20. So the first step over here we should write down in this with the standard form. So this will become plus and this will become minus, and always first multiply these two numbers wherever two arrows are there. So minus 3 into 20, this will give you minus 60. Now multiply the remaining two numbers, 5 into minus 12, multiply 12 5s are 60, again one rational number. So these two are equal. What does it mean? These two are also rational numbers. Okay, so these are the different way. By observation you can find out, you can convert into simplest form and then find out, or you can do cross multiplication and find out. So wherever minus sign is there, first step convert this denominator into positive, and again your method of fraction and rational number is same. How to find out they are equivalent or not? Write four equivalent rational numbers. So the simplest way I am telling you, minus 2 upon 5. 4 you are supposed to write. So leave here 4 places, 1, 2, 3 and one more thing. So here you can write down table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. And since minus sign is there, put minus sign everywhere. Now write down with the denominator. Again Recite table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. This is the easiest way to write down equivalent rational number. Now we can write down this by another method also. For example, 5 upon minus 3. So here we will multiply by 2 upon 2. So the answer will be 5 twos are 10 upon minus 6. Now next time you multiply by 3 upon 3. So minus 15 upon 9. Now you can multiply by 4 upon 4. So the answer will be minus 20 upon 12. Now you can multiply by 5 upon 5. So the answer will be minus 25 upon 15. So these are the two ways I told you to write down an equivalent fraction. First, simplest way, just write down or recite the table of numerator and denominator, or another way you can multiply by the same numerator and denominator so that you will get different rational numbers, and all these rational numbers will be equivalent rational numbers. Now the time for concept test. So my dear students, take your 5 minutes time, write down the answers in one place so that in next video, before starting next video, we can do discussion for this concept test 3 and then we can continue. So thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video, also to watch my next video.